Okay, this is the first stage of the compost heap, so you can see quite rough material like herbaceous clippings, bits of leaf litter, maybe some shrub prunings as well, grass cuttings, first cut of the year, very valuable, and old flowers out of a vase in the house. And that stays here for about a year until we have the big shredder coming in to chew it all up. So now the shredder has spit it out at the end of his session, and what we have now here is a lovely, well, still a little bit of leaf litter in there, but we have quite a rough material of biggish lumps, but most of it is actually broken down into finer fibres, and that again will sit for another year in our compost pile, being rotated 3 times. Now after almost 2 years, this is ready to go out, and you can see that most of the green waste is gone. The big lumpy parts have almost disintegrated. There's an odd bit left in there, but that doesn't really bother us. That adds a little bit of structure, and as that breaks down in the ground, that leaves air pockets behind, which are equally as important in the soil as they are in compost heap. So you can see it's almost down to soil, and what you can see is just a few bits of fibre, but this is what I would call gold dust. Right, here we've added a few bit more wood chip to it. We produce about 60 cubic metre of wood chip a year, which makes the compost a little bit more pliable when it goes out on the borders. It also adds a little bit more carb to then break down in the garden and add some nutrition to the plants.